Slightly complicated wiring loom for all of the high voltage switching stuff. Bit of a tour here. We've got the pre-charge relay. We've got the charge contactor, so that allows charge to head out the charge port. We've got the main contactor, so that allows the bulk of the power to go through the main HVIL, the discharge port there. And this is where all the 12 volt comes in, and I've got this little mock loom made up, just powered by a 12 volt power supply. And the idea is that I can simulate power being on, contactor, pre-charge and so on. So the pre-charge works just like anything else. Right. That's me simulating the pre-charge that would ordinarily be a signal that comes from the controller. Got switched and unswitched power. That isn't wired up to anything just yet. But this is the main contactor, and you can see that I've bridged the HVIL here, which is the high voltage interlock. So that's assuming that the main plug is indeed plugged in, but the charge port is not plugged in. Okay, so what that means is I should be able to turn the main contactor on. And when that happens, you can hear the fans come on. That means the bike's about to roll. I want airflow while the bike's rolling. And if I can do this one-handed while holding the phone with my chin, I'll demonstrate that there is in fact continuity there. Let's see. So that's the main contactor. No continuity there. Okay, and you might just have to believe me here, but I'm just going to press the main contactor and you can hear continuity. Likewise, assuming the bike is plugged in but no charge port, we're not measuring any continuity across the charge contactor, unless of course I go and plug the charge lead in. I'll simulate that by putting a bridge across here. And you can hear that contactor indeed comes on. I don't have a third arm, so I'm not going to prove continuity on that one, but again, the fans come on, so while the thing's charging, it's going to be running the fans. So if I was to unplug that, indeed, out she goes. That's still pretty messy though, so I'm going to try and tidy it up a little bit more before installation. And of course, I'm going to have to resolder my high voltage relay for the pre-charge because it came off. Bit of a problem there. Alright.